The Care Home Prescott has over 500 customer reviews and a 4.5-star rating. Customers frequently mention that the Prescott is durable, beautifully made, and has an amazing price. The Care Home Prescott is the perfect floor lamp to place in the office by a work desk, in the corner of a bedroom, or near a couch for the ideal reading light. This gorgeous industrial floor lamp comes in a smooth oil rub bronze with hand-painted gold trim, brushed pewter, and a sleek brushed nickel finish. The unique design of the Prescott is functional, featuring a height-adjustable body and a pivot head that can be rotated for optimal task lighting. It also features an industrial-style pull chain for easy on and off. The weighted base ensures that the Prescott won't tip over in case anything were to accidentally bump into it. Included in your package is a 6-watt LED bulb that produces a bright, warm light that is easy on the eyes for extended periods of usage. Because it's an LED bulb, it stays cool to the touch, and best of all, it's energy efficient, saving you money. As always, the Prescott floor lamp is UL listed for your safety. You may notice similar competing items on the Amazon marketplace. These items will say UL listed sockets, or not have UL or ETL listings at all. Those companies are trying to cut corners and save a buck. However, at Care Home, all of our factories and items produced in those factories have been subjected to certification by those safety labs. Our feedback is never influenced or bought. All of our reviews are genuine and truthful from real customers. And remember, we are a US-based company with real local support. So if you ever encounter any issues, feel free to reach out to us online, on the phone, or by the email listed on all of our product manuals and packaging.